How to use Zapier Webhook. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about this platform called Zapier, and I'm going to teach you how you could use the Zapier Webhook feature on Zapier. Now the first thing you're going to do is of course log in into your Zapier account, and then you're going to click on Create Zap over here on the left side. By clicking this, you would be redirected to this editor where you would be able to have a trigger and an action over here. You could choose Zapier Webhook as a trigger or as an action over here. For example, we're going to have it as a trigger. You're simply going to search for Webhook. And we're going to have this option over here, Webhook by Zapier. You're going to click that. And you're going to choose an event over here. You could have catch hook, catch raw hook, and retrieve ball over here. And under action over here, you could choose any other platform that you would like to integrate it with. For example, Shopify, just a random application, just like that. And you could choose your event over here. And after that, you're simply going to log in into your Shopify account and you would be able to publish this integration. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.